I got a hot date tonight.
I'm never gonna get used to that. So how do we get to the reunion?
The scenic route, of course. Have a great adventure! Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
You're watching DNTV. Before we close down for the night, let's check the time. Now, at 12 minutes past 2, and DNTV is closing down. From all of us here on DNTV, this is Microsoft Sam, wishing you all a very good night, and here is our national anthem, and then we'll have the night loop.